In today's video, I'm going to teach you a guide, how to delete Base44 account, quick and easy. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what to expect as your account and its data are removed. Before we begin, a quick note. Deleting your account is permanent. If you might need your projects, reports, or billing records later, export or save anything important first, and make sure any active subscriptions are handled so you don't get billed after deletion. Start by opening your browser and heading to app.base44.com. Sign in with your usual credentials. Once you're in, look for your profile or account menu and choose Account Settings. Depending on where you are in the app, you may see account settings more than once. First to open general settings, and then again to drill down into the specific account area. If that happens, just select account settings again so you land on the dedicated account settings page for your profile or workspace. On the account settings page, scroll until you find the section where serious changes are managed. There, click Delete Account. This will take you to a screen that clearly explains what will happen next. You'll see an option labeled Delete Your Account along with all associated data, settings, and activity. Click this to proceed. Base44 wants to make sure you truly intend to remove everything. So there's one more confirmation step. On the final confirmation screen, you'll see the same option again. Delete your account along with all associated data, settings, and activity. Click it a second time to finalize. After this, your session will end and your account will be scheduled for deletion in line with Base44's data policies. A few helpful tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the delete option, double check that you're viewing the correct workspace's account settings and that you have the necessary permissions. If the account belongs to an organization, some items may be retained under another owner or admin, so coordinate with your team if needed. If your goal is simply to reduce notifications or pause activity, you might prefer adjusting notification preferences or billing rather than deleting the entire account. And if you run into anything unexpected, the support link within the settings page is a reliable next stop for assistance. That's the complete process. Go to Base44, open account settings, select Delete Account, and confirm the deletion twice to remove your account and all associated data. That is all. Thank you for watching, and see you guys in the next one.